Hello YouTube friends, are you or someone you know dealing with the frustration of snoring? If so, then you have come to the right place. For the sake of household harmony, please watch the video till the end. In this video, we will explore effective home remedies for snoring that can help provide relief and improve sleep quality for both the snorer and their sleeping partner. Have you ever wondered why people snore while sleeping? Snoring is the sound produced while sleeping due to the vibration in the respiratory structures. In this situation, the air movement gets obstructed while breathing, resulting in the sound. The throat is a muscular tube that relaxes and decreases in size when a person is sleeping. For some people, this narrowing is enough to cause vibration of soft tissues in the throat. Some of the causes of snoring include muscle tone of the tongue, blockage of airway, age factor, alcoholic beverages, certain medications, and sheer physical exhaustion. While the sound produced while sleeping is the only symptom of snoring, it is at times accompanied by heavy breathing as well. Snoring can, however, be treated at home. So come, let's see some of the home remedies for snoring. One of the best ways to stop snoring would be to lose weight. This might surprise you, but weight loss reduces and even ends snoring. Another way to stop snoring would be to better stop smoking. It is said that smoking causes increased nasal congestion and mucus in the throat area. Alcohol causes relaxation in the soft tissues and muscles in the throat, leading to snoring. Reducing the intake of alcohol can lessen or even stop snoring. The ideal posture while sleeping would be on the sides. This would reduce the intensity of sound created while snoring. Olive oil is said to reduce snoring. Take 2 or 3 sniffs of it before going to bed. This would lessen the noise and also stop snoring after some time. Follow a regular sleep routine. Sleep at fixed times and get up at the same time. This is believed to reduce snoring. In boiling water, place a bunch of sage and let it steep. Allow it to cool. Before going to bed, strain this mixture and gargle with the liquid. This would prove effective in reducing snoring. Avoid having heavy meals or food that are too spicy or oily in dinner. They tend to aggravate the problem of snoring. We have explored a range of effective home remedies for snoring in this video. By implementing these remedies, both the snorer and their sleeping partner can experience improved sleep quality and find relief from the frustrations of snoring. To maintain peacefulness and harmony in your sleep environment, take the necessary steps, try these home remedies, and enjoy restful nights together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to support your